In this video, we're going to be talking about some issues that are grouped together. All right. Now, the reason these issues have been grouped together is not because they are the same, but because the points of acupressure that you will be treating are the same. All right. So let's say you're dealing with extreme fatigue, or you are dealing with depression, or let's say your joints are getting very painful, they're becoming stiff. All right, then this is what you will need to do. The points that you will need to treat for acupressure is basically 3 and 4 up here. Okay, point 8 over here, which is your thyroid. Now your adrenal, which is up here in the middle, right here. Then your thymus gland, which is here, and your pancreas. These are the points that you will need to treat for these set of conditions. Okay, now what can you expect during the healing crisis, right? For those who are experiencing fatigue, during the healing crisis, when everything peaks, you will feel extremely tired, and that is part of the process. It's going to get worse before it gets better. Please do not get worried and continue with the treatment. Similarly, for those who are dealing with depression and treating depression, right? Your moods are going to take are going to hit rock bottom on the third night, fourth morning, right? So you might find yourself randomly crying, randomly bursting out into tears. This is part of the healing crisis, right? Just write it out, it will get better. All right, this is part of the treatment. In fact, it is a sign that the treatment is working very well in your body. Please do not give up on the treatment at this point. You must continue. It will definitely get better. Now, on the other hand, for those who are dealing with painful joints, there is a good chance that the pain in your joints and the stiffness will become a little worse during the healing crisis. Okay, what you can do to make this a little better, and this is actually a tip, all right, that works well not just during the duration of this treatment but even beyond, right? If you can get your hands on mustard oil, I believe you can find this online. Get about 500 mils of mustard oil, all right, and you will need about 2 pips of peeled garlic. Okay, pour the oil into a vessel, put it on the stove, drop in these 2 pips of peeled garlic, turn on the stove. Now wait till the garlic starts frying a little bit, so you start getting the smell of garlic and it starts turning a bit brown. At that point, turn off the stove, let it cool down, rebottle the oil in the bottle that it came in, and store it. Okay, now every day during the course of the treatment and even beyond as well, go ahead and apply this mustard oil on all the joints, right? I would recommend doing this just before your shower, because the mustard oil is quite, can be quite thick and a little bit messy. So what I would recommend is keep the bottle in your toilet just before you go in for a shower every day. Just take a little bit of oil in your hand, rub it into all the joints that are painful. Okay, you've got to make sure it really goes into the skin, so rub it in well. Then I would recommend take some warm water, pour it on that, go ahead and have a shower, and you can wash it off. You don't need to keep the oil on. But what this helps in is that the mustard oil combined with garlic kind of helps lock in the heat into your joints and helps support the acupressure treatment that you're already going through, right? Do these things and you will definitely, all the joint pains will disappear and go away. Remember, you have the power to heal yourself.